Installing ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, on a branch circuit already protected by a GFCI circuit breaker introduces several ramifications. While it might seem like enhanced safety through redundancy, this approach can actually create potential problems. Firstly, redundant protection occurs. Installing GFCIs on a branch circuit already protected by a GFCI circuit breaker provides redundant ground fault protection. While this might appear to enhance safety, it can introduce potential issues. Secondly, reduced sensitivity can arise. When multiple GFCIs are installed on the same branch circuit, each GFCI sensitivity may be reduced. This happens because the current passing through each GFCI adds to the overall current, potentially desensitizing the GFCIs and making them less responsive to ground faults. Thirdly, there is an increased likelihood of nuisance trips. The presence of multiple GFCIs on a branch circuit increases the likelihood of nuisance trips. Even a small amount of leakage current can cause one or both GFCIs to trip, potentially disrupting power supply to critical devices. Fourthly, false positives can occur. With multiple GFCIs, if one GFCI trips due to a ground fault, it may cause the other GFCIs on the same circuit to trip as well, even if there is no fault in those outlets. This can lead to confusion and unnecessary troubleshooting. Generally, it is not recommended to install GFCIs on a branch circuit protected by a GFCI circuit breaker. The circuit breaker provides sufficient ground fault protection, and adding GFCIs can introduce the issues mentioned above. Instead of installing GFCIs on every outlet, focus on installing them in areas where they are required by code, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. If additional protection is desired, consider installing arc fault circuit interrupter or SI breakers. SIs provide protection against both ground faults and arc faults, which are often associated with electrical fires.